شباشب. اديله بالشبشب على وشه. Comes to the house and under our supervision will give you some space.
What does supervision look like?
I will be in the middle. Know each other and the mother in the middle.
But what if a man's like, listen, I really like you, but I'm not ready right now, and I'm saving up some money,
Open
and
the door, throw him out.
you have to start with a man when he has nothing, so that when he has something, you're like,
No comment.
I really like you. I know you're the one.
Go away, do your own business, and then come back. If you find me, it's okay.
And you might not be there.
Of course.
You might move on to the next.
Of course. He did nothing.
Damn, mama, you a player. How do you know when a man is serious about you and wants to marry you?
بصي بقى. He comes to the house. He talks to the parents. Seriously, this is the first step of marriage.
But what if he needs to get to know you before he comes?
شباشب. اديله بالشبشب على وشه. Comes to the house.